2024 is the year of the dragon. All of these beautiful dragon displays inspired me to create a lesson for my students. To start my dragon head, I'm going to begin with one large circle, and I'm going to freehand this so you can see it doesn't have to be a perfect circle, and none of your lines have to look exactly like mine either. The next thing I'm going to do is near the top of my circle, I'm going to draw a smaller circle, and I'm also going to draw one here. Any little change or variation will just make your dragon look unique. They all should come out looking a little different. Between these two circles, I'm going to start with a horizontal line. It's going to curve around and come back like that. Again, doesn't have to be perfectly straight. Everything will just kind of create your own individual style. Now, I'm going to come back down to that circle, and I'm going to go up to this circle. I'm going to add a smaller circle here that's going to become the nostril. This is going to become the nostril here, and make kind of a gum line. Add some teeth. A nice eyebrow. The more detail and pattern you can add, the more interesting your design will be. My horn.